All right, friends, now that your prints are all done and you have many different types of papers that you made textures on, you're going to make something called a collage. It does not have to look like this collage, but here's an example. Take your papers and think of an idea that you want to show by cutting out and gluing papers. So think of a topic that you want to show. She's showing kind of like a fun sushi picture. So she's going to take all her printed papers here and she's going to cut out some shapes. You can draw shapes right onto your papers or you can just cut them right out. It's up to you. So you're going to get a background paper. It could be any type of background. It could be a print that you made or it can be a white paper. And then you're going to start to take all of your little prints and cut out some shapes. As you cut out your shapes, you're going to start to glue them to your background paper to make a collage. So see how she's building up her paper? She glued one on her background. Now she's glued two circles and then some more shapes on top of the circles. So she's building kind of like a food picture of sushi. And she's layering many, many papers with glue. So that's part of a collage. You have to layer lots of papers together. She's using a paintbrush with glue. We can just use our glue sticks or glue bottles as long as we use just a dot, not a lot of glue. And look at how many papers she's using. She's using almost all of her prints. You don't have to use every single print that you made, but pick some that you really like that you think have some neat designs on them. And this is kind of an abstract work of art. It doesn't have to be the exact texture of these real objects. But I think she is kind of focusing on colors, right? So these are the types of colors that you might see in like a sushi meal. So she's finding the colors that she likes, but the textures don't really matter. They're kind of random textures and interesting. All right, she's finished her picture. That's awesome. So you are going to make sure you put your collage all together before you say you're done. And then come see me because we're going to glue your little collage into your art notebook for your printmaking level 3. All right, happy